Hello, I'm Faye Soteri. I'm Specialist Watch Buyer at Watches of Switzerland. I'm joined today by Bill Prince, editor of GQ Watch, and we're really excited to be talking about the UK launch of Defy El Primero 21 by Zenith. Bill, what can you tell us about these watches?
Well, I think we could start with the name, couldn't we? El Primero, the first integrated chronograph movement from 1969. Defy a family of Zenith watches that goes back to the same date. 21, referring to the 21st century, which is the secret squirrel in this particular conversation, because this is a very 21st century timepiece. It's the first series-made chronograph capable of measuring to 100th of a second. So this talks both to the heritage of Zenith, in the design of the 44mm case, and also in the layout, which we recognise from the original El Primero chronographs. It's available in ceramic case and also in titanium. It's a very handsome piece, but it's also extraordinarily modern. It has its lovely skeletonized dial, in this case on the ceramic. The titanium gives it a lightness and that you would never have found in a watch with this much technology embedded in it 20 years ago. It's an extraordinary piece.
Why are these watches so innovative?
Zenith, as we know, launched the El Primero back in 1969 with the world's first automatic integrated chronograph movement, which at the time was respected for marking 1/10 of a second. But what's really interesting about it was that in order to do so, it was running at 5 Hertz, which in today's parlance means it was known as a high beat movement. This runs at 50 Hertz, which is an extraordinary uplift in its capabilities. And in order to do that inside a mechanical machine, you need to use absolutely cutting edge composites. Anything else will wear out, wear down and stop working. It's a phenomenal timepiece, but the dials, the design still talks to the original El Primero. I think it's really beautiful.
So what does it mean for Zenith and the watch industry?
I think it puts Zenith right back where it belongs, which is as this extraordinarily decorated and recognised manufacturer. But what's interesting at the moment, I think you and I, Faye, we meet at a lot of events, and quite rightly, we're often celebrating great anniversaries, great birthrights, great histories. But what Zenith are doing with this piece, they're bringing the Swiss watch business right into the 21st century. The technology that's enshrined in this piece is quite incredible. It talks to a whole new era in Swiss watchmaking. It's not looking back, it's only looking back in order to celebrate what it's built this on. Is looking forward into what watches will be doing in the near future, I think.
The prices start from 8,300 to 9,900. How does all of that compare to its comparative set in the market?
I think the price is remarkable, given this is an industrialised piece. We'd be looking at far more if it was a limited run, if it was in anywhere boutique item. It's not. This is a absolutely functioning industrialised series-built watch. So for under £10,000, I think it packs a huge amount of technology into one wristwatch.
I'm in complete agreement with you, Bill. It's an incredible watch. We're really fortunate to have the UK exclusive launch. And if you were to come and see us, speak to any of our colleagues in Watches of Switzerland, we'd be really happy to book a private viewing and help you in any way with our Zenith collection. Watches of Switzerland will be back soon with some more videos. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching.